Hello everyone, welcome to my channel School Programmer. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. In this video, watch how to download and install BlueJava on Windows. Open browser. After that, search BlueJ. After searching BlueJ, you will see that in first there is written BlueJ. Click on that. Just scroll down. You can see this Windows, that is 64-bit, and this Mac OS, and this Ubuntu. So I have to download for Windows, so just click on Windows. And download started. Just you can see that the requirement is 64-bit for Windows. So check your configuration that your computer is 64-bit or not. If yes, then you can download this. Otherwise, just come down, just scroll down here, and you can see for 32-bit operating system, download BlueJ 4.1.4. If your configuration is 32-bit, then you can download this.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
So now this software is fully installed. Just click on finish. As you can see, the BlueJ is installed. So open it, just double click on that. So wait for a second to open this. So as you can see, this is completely installed. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely